Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn hyperlink in MS PowerPoint. Basically, hyperlink is used to navigate from one page to another page or web page. There are 5 types of hyperlink in MS PowerPoint. First one is hyperlink within a document. Second one is the hyperlink to the existing file. Third one is the hyperlink to the new file. Fourth one is hyperlink to the web page. And the fifth one is hyperlink to send email. In this video, we are going to see two types: hyperlink to the existing file and hyperlink to the new file. Let's see hyperlink to the existing file. So I have already created a hyperlink for this. So if I right click on it and if I want to remove it, I can remove it like this. Now again, I want to insert a hyperlink for my Word file which is available on my system. So I will select the text like this. Click on the insert, click on the hyperlink, select the option existing file, select the file whichever you want, like this content Word file I want, I will select and click OK. Now to check whether the hyperlink is created or not, you have to click on the slideshow view, click on from current slide and just click on that text. So here you can see the Word file opens just by using the hyperlink. So in this way, we can insert a hyperlink to the existing file. In the similar manner, if you want to remove the hyperlink, just right click on it, remove hyperlink. Now again, if you want to insert a hyperlink, select it, click on the insert, click on the hyperlink. Now if you want to navigate to another folder, just select here folder where you have saved, select the file and click OK. Again slideshow view, click on that and it will open the PDF file. So just by using the hyperlink for any text, you can insert hyperlink for the Word file, Excel file or any file whichever you want. And if you want to remove it, just right click on it and remove the hyperlink. Same if you want to edit the hyperlink, just select the edit hyperlink and you can edit the hyperlink just by using selecting any other file from the folder. Next one is the hyperlink to the new file. Now the file which is not yet created, I want to create a hyperlink for it. So I want to create a hyperlink for another PowerPoint file. So I will select the text where I want to create a hyperlink. You can right click on it, click on the hyperlink. Now create new document, give a name to your document like this. Now very much important thing, you have to insert the extension for the PowerPoint PPTX, and this is a full path where that file will be stored. Next one is the when to edit. If you want to edit that new document later, you can select this option. If you want to edit that new document now, you can select that option. I will select the second option and I will click OK. Now here you can see the document is created and open. Now here you can work according to your requirement. Next one is if you want to insert a hyperlink for the Excel file, just select same, right click on it, click on hyperlink, type a name for your file, give an extension for it XLSX. This is a full path where it is going to be stored. Now if you want to edit a new document now, just click OK and it will open the Microsoft Excel file. So in this way you have inserted a hyperlink to the existing file and the new file. Thank you.